start to launch into the air.
So I don't know the answer, but I will just try. I think because of the gas.
Yeah. Correct. You know the answer. You know the answer. That's the idea behind it. So we were told earlier that there's a pressure that is happening on the inside of the canister as a result of the reaction from the different chemical substances that has been put inside the canister. So that pressure is built up as a result of that reaction. So you still got it correctly. Please help me jam your hands together. Please tell us your name.
My name is Varsity.
Thank you.
So I learned that as the pressure builds up, so
Yes.
When the canister cap can't hold the pressure again, it
Yes.
goes up and the canister moves in the opposite direction.
Yes. Thank you very much. Please jump your hands together.